Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Subramaniam Maslamani. I am a Tamil. Today my topic is on education, enrichment, empowerment, enlightenment, emancipation, and to emerge to eminence and excellence of Tamils worldwide. Our mission is to unite, initiate, develop, sustain, and share the socio-economic improvement of Tamils worldwide. The concept of government, national borders, languages, religions, class systems are fast disappearing, replaced by one people, one earth. Planet Earth does not even appear in the map of the universe. That is how insignificant we are. Let me pose a simple question to my Tamil fraternity, folks, friends, and families. What is the difference between a sheep and a shepherd? Which one is easier to manage and manipulate? What the Sinhalese have done very successfully is to destroy our knowledge base. If you talk to the people between the ages of 25 and 55, you see a sense of knowledgelessness. They have different mindset and very hard to fathom and understand them. Why? They were the victims of destruction by the Sinhalese. So we set out to neutralize, equalize, and surprise them with our own plan. Every Tamil parent now knows that education is the bedrock below the foundation of any civil society. Thank God we got out in time to revive the glory of the Tamils. The burning of the Jaffna library was done at the direction of the Mahanayaka, who is implementing the agenda of the Mahavamsa and managed by Mahasangha. That is the seminal source. In any war, the first thing that is done is to cut off the flow of information by attacking the command, control, and communication centers. Communication is the most important single element in any community. Cut off the ability to communicate, any community to communicate, you have them in total disarray. Remember, my fellows, S.W.R.D. Bandaranaike, G.R. Jayawardena, Mahinda Rajapaksa are just the foot soldiers of the Mahasangha. Listen carefully, my friends. Mahasangha is the real culprit. Mahinda is all for himself. I always said Mahavamsa, Mahasangha, Mahanayaka, the 3 points in an evil triangle. This is where the power lies and where from the orders are given. Religion is a very sensitive issue, but when it becomes fanatical, it has to be dealt with effectively, efficiently, and expeditiously. The purpose of religion is to introduce fear in the minds of the people. I will tell you, for the next few years, things will be put off. Then they will start again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on both. Fool me thrice, shame on me. Take it from me, this racial issue will go on forever till we find an equalizer. Yeah, folks, don't look at Mahinda, look at Mahanayaka. Mahanayaka has no problem with the 18th Amendment to the Constitution because Mahinda delivered more Tamil heads than asked for. He exceeded the quota. Won't you reward someone who delivers more than asked for? Tamil Modayas, wake up. What the Sinhalese are doing for the last 60 years is slowly but steadily degrading the Tamils. So we must understand the flow of their personality of the Sinhalese. But what I do not understand is the stupidity of the Tamil Modayas, who are getting political mileage out of our misery. Thosais, Panangottais, Parayas, and lately Modayas. Where will it end? It ends right now. Hence, we have embarked on a re-emergence plan. It has to begin with education. I have given Philo a few ideas. The educational, entrepreneurial, employment plan for Tamils worldwide, year 2010-11, to bring about global Tamil re-emergence and resurgence. We need 15,000 Tamil students enroll in universities, out of which 1,000 enroll in legal profession, 1,000 students to enter Harvard, Yale, Oxford, Cambridge, MIT, and at least another 1,000 to obtain masters or doctorates. At least 95% of the 15,000 must enroll in engineering, computer sciences, investment banking, business management, accounting, chemical engineering, and advanced material management and political sciences. We also need investment bankers, constitutional lawyers, writers, journalists, creative artists, business experts, MBAs, politicians, members of the parliament, city councillors, unity experts, professionals, counselors, inventors, scientists, researchers, technology transfer experts, etc. We must start at least 5,000 new business, of which 1,000 in industries. We had to file at least 100 international patents. To ensure the Tamil elders over the age of 50 remain healthy and vibrant to lead our next generation. Embark on leadership, courage, and confidence building training. Here are a few motivational tips. Give a man a fish, you will feed him for a day. Teach him to fish, he will feed all his life. Forests withstand hurricanes, but single trees succumb. United we stand, stand alone we fall. Help someone to start a business, give him or her head start, and buy their products and services. No fish can survive without water, no man can survive without a community. The easiest way you can help your community is to help yourself and your family. We have come a long way since 1960, and now how we re-emerged since 2009 is a proof of our exacting culture and nature. We are back in the international forum, asserting our rights to freedom. Here is another one for my people. There are about 1 million Sri Lankan women working in the Middle East as maids. When an Arab man sees and talks to me, he thinks I am working in Canada as a houseboy in some wealthy family. Or when he sees a Sri Lankan woman, he says, there goes another slut. Don't call me names. I call it the way I see it. We cannot stop stereotyping and profiling. Once I asked King Mahinda, when one of his maids returned home pregnant, what happens to his Aryan heritage? Destroyed or diluted? In old martial arts, they hit a person across the face, on the side of the head, and on the back of the head. These are treatments for certain diseases. So from here on, no Tamil should call himself or herself a Sri Lankan. We will give that honorary designation to Mahinda's people. We are Tamils, we are as good as Japanese or Germans. We are the creators of wealth for all. Every Tamil must make it a vow and challenge to send their kids to the university, and when next time an Arab man comes to see you, he will treat you like a human being. In Saudi Arabia, there are goats on the street to scavenge. No proud Saudi will ever work as a garbage picker. Sri Lankan sheep or Sri Lankan goat. What is wrong with our dark-skinned people? Why do you pick up the jobs that others do not want it? You know why? You guys are divided. You guys were divided and you guys will remain divided. I think if I am not mistaken, we dark-skinned Indians are the only ones still divided, remain divided. Call me a reverse racist if you want. What we can do when there are 70 million Tamils in Tamil Nadu with film stars as chief ministers and opposition leaders? What do you expect? Therefore, Tamils, work hard, stay together, never ever give up. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Subramaniam Maslamani. I am a world-class Tamil powered by convictions, commitments, and conscience. Thank you very much.